Hello everybody, this is Jasmine for the Embassy of Peace, saying welcome, welcome, welcome to a new year. What I love in metaphysical understanding and quantum understanding is that every moment is brand new. It's almost as if, as you settle into this now moment, time can just be released from around you, all the constraints of linear time. And this is why our beautiful sages, wisdom keepers, yogis have always shared about the power of mindfulness, of being present as pure presence. We know, such a pure and perfect part of ourselves, and it can dominate our system, or it can be almost ignored. And yet it's there, breathing us day by day as we get mesmerized by all our man-made human creations. We've created so much. Yet we've entered into a very different time and a way of being that can seem to many very messy and very distracting. Many people, of course, still are looking for the right truth for them outside of themselves, and yet this is also something that our wisdom keepers has always shared, that vibrating in the stillness, vibrating in that 99.99999% space in our atoms is a very interesting frequency matrix that I've explored a lot the last nearly 30 years of my journey with trying to understand source feeding. This vibratory spectrum that is flowing through us like an ocean carries everything we need to be wise, loving, complete, peaceful, unified within ourselves. Sages, just like all the sages who've already walked our earth, we have infinite wisdom within us. That is a strong part of the unified field, that quantum nature of unexpressed potential that is in every atom, in every human being. In that vibratory spectrum, there's virtues. There's so much peace. There's so many answers for what is absolutely perfect for each one of us to do, to be, to follow, to listen to. All the truth that we need, the truth that is for our highest good, individually and collectively. It's all vibrating in us. And so we unhook. We relax, nothing to attain, it's already there. But we just consciously give ourselves time to just disengage regularly from social media, disengage regularly from seeking truth outside of ourselves, from seeking nourishment, mental, emotional, or physical nourishment from outside of ourselves. And we go, okay, I can breathe. I can be still. I can imagine as I'm breathing that I am drawing consciously from this quantum field, from the unified field, everything I need to nourish me perfectly in every single moment. In the stillness, I can open to hear the wisdom that is there for me. In the stillness, I can open to feel the infinite love that is there for me. I can open to be washed by, immersed in, infused by the purest love that brought all of creation into being. That love that can nourish me physically, emotionally, mentally, etherically. It's vibrating in me. It's 99.999% of who I really am. This wisdom, supreme mind, Buddha-like, Christ-like, sage-like, yogi-like, holy messenger-like wisdom. It's part of me. It's vibrating, flowing, ocean-like through my atoms. Everything we need to up-level ourselves individually and collectively is already vibrating as a dominant frequency within our atomic structure. That's what I've discovered. That's what so many are discovering. So many unhooking consciously from the fear games, the judgment games, the separation games, the them and us games, all of that, people feeling, no, I don't want to play that anymore. They're taking on board all the wisdom of the sacred sages. They're going back to now moment awareness. They're opening in their hearts with prayer, saying, show me experientially the truth of who I really am. Show me experientially the evidence of unity consciousness within myself and within humanity around me. I am ready to up-level into living in harmony with all sentient life on earth, where my presence, where our presence brings out the best in each other, where we now finally begin to operate individually and collectively in a vibration that is for the highest good of our evolving world. Such a simple code. Just as I learned to share with people that we can also say if source feeding, so that I am nourished physically, emotionally, mentally, and etherically from the purest frequency bands I can access from pure source. If this is for me to experience and demonstrate this life, then I open to this now, I align to this now, and I move into all of this with joy, with ease, with grace, with synchronicity in the right way and the right time for me, and also in a way that is for the highest good of sentient life in this world. This is a bit of a reset that we are sharing about here. We can all reset ourselves in this brand new moment. But first we need to come into our hearts, as we have been doing, and say, what am I as a sentient being on earth who has been exposed to endless wisdom from so many messengers through time? Am I now really ready to experience this infinite wisdom that I carry at my core? Am I really ready to experience this never-ending, pure vibration of the love that brought creation into being, that vibrates at my core? Am I ready to experience this endless benevolence that will always and always has delivered exactly what I need when I've needed it in my life, and will continue to do so? Am I ready to really step deeper and deeper and deeper into the matrix of the unified realms of true unity consciousness on earth and within myself? Can your heart, in this now moment, as a reset in this moment, just simply say, yes, yes, yes. Make this my experiential truth from this now moment. This is Jas Maheen, sharing a little reset with you as we begin this next phase, this next moment together.